Honorable Amisi. I don't know what he meant. I mean, I do and speak based on the work I do. So when I'm the leader of majority, when I'm a member of parliament, I speak, and I speak my mind. When I become the Minister for Defense, if this House approves me, I will speak the way a defense minister is supposed to speak. If the president later changed me to the Minister for Sports, I'll speak the way a Minister for Sports is supposed to speak. So I am a veteran, and I think I can do that. So you have nothing to worry. Don't worry about my demeanor. And I'm sure since I was nominated, I have started behaving like a Minister of Defense. So I'm sure you have not heard about me. Unless I am on the floor of the House, Mr. Speaker. The Speaker, Honorable Daudi talked